CabBazar, online cab attachment process. Download application from Play Store. Open CabBazar Taxi Partner application. Log in with your mobile number. Carefully mention your agency details. Make sure your PAN card must be of cab owner. Read and understand all agreement carefully. Click on Accept and Submit. Verify mobile number. OTP has been sent to you on your mobile number. Enter it below. Add your multiple work locations. Now fill your payment details to receive payments, like UPID, Paytm number, bank details. Now, upload your Aadhaar card photo, both front and back. Make sure Aadhaar card must be of cab owner. Now click on Submit button. Now, upload your PAN card. Now, click on Next. Now, add car. Select car brand. Select car name. Enter car number. Select car fuel type. Now, add car documents. RC, insurance, permit, car photo with owner. Now, click on Not Submit. Click on Add document and choose File. Enter expiry date and click on Submit. Repeat. Same process for other documents also. Now, add driver, driver name, and driver number. Verify driver number with OTP. Now, add driver documents, driving license, and police verification. Make sure you need to allow all permissions. Congrats, you did it. But make sure maintain minimum 700 rupees wallet recharge. Now, after the payment successful, check your wallet recharge. Now, you are completely done the process.